party till the morning and we'll do it all again.
Hello, we're one for the road travel and we're continuing the third and probably final part of our tour around Plymouth city centre. We've been staying in the Travel Lodge, which is just behind us here, and they don't offer, or they sort of offer a breakfast, but it's like sort of a lunchbox thing where you get, like I said, lunchbox for breakfast, but you get like a pot of instant noodles and like a flapjack and stuff. I've taken a picture of it, so we'll pop it up here in a minute. But what's great about being right in the middle of the city centre, that's the Travel Lodge there, as you can see, and there's Revolutions. If you come out to the front and take a left, you're only about, well, you'll see now, it's about a 2-3 minute walk to Wetherspoons. So we're going to get ourselves down there, see what offers they've got on, get us some food, and yeah, we're going to have a bit of a foodie day today. I think we're going to, for a change, yeah, we're going to go and have some breakfast, then we're going to go and find PureGym and have a workout, because we've got one of those memberships where you can use it wherever you go, so hopefully they'll let us in there. And then yeah, we'll be going out and finding something nice to eat. We've got a place in mind, don't we? Yeah. Little, well, we'll see. We'll leave it to be a surprise. So yeah, we're pretty much, well, there's Pop World, and that wasn't open last night because it was a Sunday, but hopefully it'll be open tonight. I don't know whether I mean that or not. Whoop, whoop, Pop World. And then you can see the sign for Wetherspoons just up there. So we get ourselves in, get ourselves some food ordered, and we'll show you what we've got. So breakfast has arrived. We're out in the beer garden in the Union Rooms Wetherspoons. And here we have it. A couple of breakfast muffins. We've got bacon, sausage, egg and cheese muffins with, what did you have?
Pineapple juice.
And I had a pint of, what was it? I got now. A pint of orange juice and lemonade, and that come to £6.18, I think. You just can't really go wrong, can you? So we're going to give these a munch and then head over to PureGym. Everyone's enjoying the sun. The weather is good. See you in a bit.
Video.
So this is Drake's Place, Historic Gardens and Reservoir. Basically just past Plymouth University on the sort of bottom of, or heading up North Hill, which is like the student area, obviously, being right next to university, which I think is just that. You can see the back of that, that's that building there, and there is Drake's Place Reservoir. As we head to PureGym. And what do you love about walking to PureGym so far?
The massive hill.
That's your favourite, isn't it?
Yeah.
Love a nice steep hill. On you go. It is a pretty big hill, to be fair. It's a lovely day for it, at least. And the best thing about it is when we get to the gym, we don't have to do any more cardio. Straight to the weights. So we're up to Mutley Plain. This is the start of it. It's changed a fair bit over the years. Plenty of barber shops and kebab shops. I suppose that's pretty standard. And carry on going up this way, you come to another one of Plymouth's Wetherspoons. I think when we looked, I think there's 4 Wetherspoons in Plymouth, so there's quite a few. But that's another one that's worth a visit. And there's a pub right up in the middle there, you can just see in the distance, that's well worth a visit as well. The traffic light's red. Can we go?
I don't know, there's no green man.
Oh well, we'll try it, see what happens.
The green man disappeared.
Never mind. Yeah, and this takes us to, we said this one was Alexander Road, didn't we? So I'm trying to see if there's a signpost. Don't think there is, which is a shame.
This is Alexander Road.
It is. Hoping there might be a signpost. Ah, there we go. Number 1, Alexander Road. Must be this way. To let. There's a sign there.
Oh! Why a picture of me?
We have arrived. What's cool about this one, we popped in here once before and they've got like these pods you have to go through to get in, so we're going to get Charlotte to demonstrate the pod.
Oh god. Might not fit
In you go.
Gotta load me up first.
Ah, that'll take some time.
Oh wow.
Pods.
What do you do?
You have to work it out. In you go.
Might come out skinnier.
Hope so. So that's back. So that's us back in Plymouth town centre. You can see the indoor market that's just behind us there. Time for some nourishment, I think, don't you?
Yes.
Look how excited she is. You wait till you see this place. So this is the indoor market. And they have a lot of different like food places. This is like a bit old school. You get your fruit and veg and various clothes and stuff. But Charlotte's going to lead the way to our favourite Thai street food restaurant. Here it is, labelled under the pasta noodle hut, like Charlotte's just said. Check this out. All your favourites. Thai green curry. Thai meatball with noodle soup, that's one of your favourites, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mixed platter starter, hot soup and fish balls, Thai prawn omelette, special fried rice, got everything. So we're going to yeah, sit down, check the menu out, see what we can order, and then we'll show you what we've picked. Should we sit here?
Yeah, it's too exciting.
You can take the camera if you like.
I like to order with my eyes. Or what is it? Eat with your eyes.
We can sit in the front. Okay, this area's closed, is it? No worries.
So we're being moved to the front. Where's
It's
Gary
okay?
gone? We'll find him.
Perfect, thank you.
Oh, I think you might have had this one last time.
Yeah. Tom Yum seafood, yeah, I like that one. I wonder if they've got the yak soup. So here's the menu.
They have a big discount. Yeah, but it doesn't involve
Basically,
your shop.
Charlotte has gone
To
for
get discount to
Thai
market people.
meatball noodle soup.
The pot.
Is mine on here? I don't think it is. And then I've gone for the sukiyaki seafood hot pot, which is looking forward. And the soup has arrived. Should have got my spoon out first, shouldn't I?
Can I have a glass?
Look at those prawns. Oh, here we go then. Oh, just in the nick of time, Charlotte's turned up. Yeah, it's lovely, that is. Oh, wow. That is
Have you
huge.
seen how big it is?
That is massive. Lush. Taste test required.
Oh yeah, it's really nice.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
I think she'll let me try some. Yeah, it's got a lovely flavour. So that was, this one here was £10, and with the seafood, this one was 12. That's all right. Treat ourselves.
It's not 50 baht, but we're
No.
not in Thailand.
No, it's certainly not £1 each, that's for sure, £1.50. But what they have also got, which is good,
We need some gum.
can't forget this. Put that in the middle, it's never going to let me get away with putting it over my side. Would you like to talk us through?
Oh, my favourite. Good job I picked this one up first. This is chilies in vinegar. But I'd probably dump the whole pot in here, but I better not. I better save some for someone else.
It's only chilies and vinegar.
Lovely jubbly. And then a bit of sugar. Dried chilies. And And this one's got to be fish sauce, I reckon. Ah, this is chili oil.
Oh, chili oil, wow,
Your
happy
fish sauce
days.
is up here.
I don't want any fish sauce anyway, this will be fine.
Oh, this would be nice. Bit of chili oil.
Oh, look at that.
Don't want to contaminate anything. Chef's kiss.
Right, well, I suppose we better tuck in and yeah, move on to the next one. I don't know what we're going to eat next. I think we have to leave a bit of time in between meals for this one. So we're sat in the Cafe Club in Plymouth. This is not, I suppose it is the centre, isn't it? You can just see Drake Circus over there, so that's where it is. It's quite a sort of popular, fairly sort of infamous place in Plymouth to come and have a drink. So we thought we'd pop in for a light refreshment on our travels.
2 for 1 cocktails.
Cheers. So it's 2 for £10. How is it?
Oh, it's fruity. This is a Blue Mirage.
Oh, that's really nice actually.
Tequila, pineapple juice, blue Curaçao, lemon juice?
And,
shaken,
and, and sugar.
And sugar. I'll be off my bean then.
It's actually really nice. I like tequila. Tip top. It's actually quite quiet now, but there's plenty of seating areas down the bottom there. Big seating area up here, and then inside's pretty cool, so maybe we'll film that on the way out. But it used to be open 24 hours. I'm not sure if it is anymore.
I don't think it is.
No.
It got taken over.
But yeah, if you want some weird and wonderful food, breakfast, or some crazy, like, what did you have the other time we were here? Monster Munch topped French fries with cheese or something.
Pizza, sauce, cheese, and pickled onion Monster Munch.
There you go. Sounds like an interesting combination. And we haven't actually had one, but they do these mad like American shakes as well, don't they? They're quite nice. So we'll give them a go next time. But we couldn't resist the buy one free. I think I've had enough. Buy one get one free cocktails. Might as well go down. Do you want to take the drinks? Lead the way. So much cool stuff in there, isn't there? What have you got there?
Just swapping the sauces, this one's got more in it.
Let's have a look. So we are in Turtle Bay in Plymouth. Decided to come in a bit late for the sort of last meal of the day. We've done pretty well, as you can see, for our foodie day out in Plymouth. And these are garlic pitted prawns.
Well, I feel a bit bad because I got a bit more juice than Gary. You can dip in mine, it's fine.
Oh, I can dip in your juice, thanks,
Yeah.
babe. And a bit of a flatbread going on in there. And then what cocktail did you have?
Candy Caribbean.
I think that's right, actually. Candy Caribbean. No, a Caribbean candy sour.
Candy sours. It's very nice.
And I don't know who Tommy is, but I had his Tommy spiced margarita, which is pretty tasty. So cheers. Here's to you guys. Here's to the viewers. Then we've got our lemon soup.
Should I try some?
Yeah, have a sip.
Just joking. It's a finger washer.
A finger bowl. So this was, they've got an offer on after 9 o'clock. I think it's after 9. Is it before 7 as well, or just after 9? Just after 9. You get 2 small dishes and 4 cocktails for £29. And they've got an app that you can use as well. So if you've got Blue Light, you can sign up and you get 20% off. I'm not sure if you get it off this deal or not, but you at least get it off of food, and you can get like vouchers and stuff. And I think the more you eat in it, you get stamps, don't you? And I think if you get 3 stamps,
3 times, yeah.
every 3 times you eat in it, you get like a £10 stamp that you can then use to get off your next visit. So yeah, it's well worth it. It's pretty chilled tonight. There's not many people about, as you can see, but it is a Monday. And yeah, I think that's me waffling on enough, or us waffling on enough. We're going to get stuck into these prawns. I hope you've enjoyed the sort of food tour of Plymouth. There's plenty of other places to eat, obviously, but this is just where we've been. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
The thumbnail, maybe.
Oh yeah, there you go. Looking shocked. If you've got any questions or suggestions or any other places you think that are worth visiting in Plymouth to eat or drink, leave a comment below, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.
Wake up, party till the morning, and we'll do it all again. Get